Is that right? Listen, you see the level of disrespect that's happening right now?
Go ahead and do this real quick. Let me go ahead and do this real quick.
The level of disrespect that is happening at this, I'm going to record the record.
You don't have to put those on. This is just for show. You know, let me go ahead and do this.
This is disgusting.
And
I need my own proof of how disgusting.
I'm gonna go ahead and
you slimy.
I'm gonna go ahead and do a Joe.
I will follow suit, sir. You know what? Let me first start by blaming Vic for gentrifying the show.
He pushed me over the edge. I have been scoping
This
out.
is your fault, Vic.
I've been scoping out, because I'm a Bally guy. Like, I
Absolutely.
own Bally. I've been having them since I was a child. And I've been scoping out. And this is not even the pair that I had scoped out. And I'll tell you about that off camera. But, yeah, here we are, man.
So before we get into these, I need to say that the algorithm is a dangerous thing, ladies and gentlemen.
Man. I told Trina, I said, if he's getting Bally ads.
I have been getting Bally ads for like maybe 2 months. And I have been plotting on a pair of joints from Bally because I've been getting the ads. And like their marketing and algorithm, and I should have known that someone in this crew was responsible for this. It could only been one of 2 people.
Hey.
Let's do this correctly. This is the most you've upped the ante on levels of disrespect right now. I just need this to be known, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this guy.
I am here to hurt Joe.
Look at this guy.
Pause. Slide that away for you there, guy.
All right. So we'll leave that there.
Yes.
We'll come out with the men. Oh. I haven't even seen the sneakers, ladies and gentlemen, but I'm going to do a few things.
I'm going to take these off. My hands are getting hot.
The fact that they came with these
Yeah, you know.
still out there means that what's on them,
Couple of dust bags.
Couple of dusters. This guy. Yeesh.
I'll go ahead and grab the other joint. Pause.
These are not what I were looking at. But we had a conversation about me looking for a different suit sneaker going into fall. I had this, my trusted friend, I had a discussion with about finding a new suit sneaker.
Yes,
and
sir.
This
is it.
Is it.
That's it.
It don't get no cleaner or meaner than that. All right. I'm gonna keep my gloves on because I think it's important to note how it glides across this leather right here.
It's a beautiful thing, son.
The sole, obviously the Bally imprint, but what I think is most incredible and super dope is where the burgundy loops around, it comes out on the other side,
Yes,
and
indeed.
it doesn't help that I have a burgundy suit on order right now, waiting to appear at my home.
Yes, sir.
To make up for the one when I lost my weight. I mean, what are we talking about here?
What are we talking about?
What are we talking about here? The B is, did we ever just identify whether it was embossed or?
This is, yes, I was right, but I can't remember which one I was at. So
The other one was
Debossed,
but I think this is embossed.
Yeah, let's go.
I don't think we should ever find out. Let's go with that. I need to see if that actually comes through on the, it doesn't because, and you know why it doesn't, ladies and gentlemen? Because they've used 2 different versions of calfskin leather.
Yes. These are
to shield
These
each
are
other
Swiss
from.
made. These are, as I learned, some Ballys, of course, you want them from Switzerland, but some of them are made in Italy.
Okay.
These are Swiss made.
These are Swiss made.
The other ones I was looking at were made in Italy, and there's nothing lacking in those.
And they say white calf.
There you go.
Yeah. So it's a nice touch, man. Nice. And I just bought some Stan Smiths the other day.
Hey.
So what I like is right here where the toe would actually fold. They've already gone ahead and cuffed. This isn't a stitching. This isn't a stitching. They've taken the leather that is supposed to be right here for the toe box, and then they've tucked it under, and then put the tongue on top of that. Pause. Then you've got the stitching around for the heel that tucks right under your ankle.
Yep.
You got the Bally on the heel.
Yeah, man.
Super white, clean.
It's so clean. Man.
So clean, man. And then you've got the just tan. And there's no need there's no need to figure out if these are Swiss or not, because they tell you.
Straight up.
Bally, Switzerland. Right underneath, which again is its own piece of tan leather stripping that is stitched on top, but you can't feel because underneath is that butter, light tan. We'll call that the Maserati camel. You know what I'm talking about? That's that Maserati. That's that Maserati camel.
Yup.
Yeah.
Man, these shit is so clean.
These are tough.
And I went there because I wanted something for a suit. Remember, I just told you I was
I was gonna have listen, yesterday we had that conversation, what was it, the day before? Yesterday, randomly, I don't know why, I was like, what's this guy doing shoot shopping?
Right.
He called me to tell me about a suit, but that means he's suit shopping. What's this guy suit shopping for?
Yeah, and so when I got there, and the joints that I've been scoping, I was like, I tried them on too, and I was like, God, they're so comfortable. These are perfect for the suit. Yeah. And these are equally as stupid. I saw these online, and I was like, this right here. Like, there's no uncrossing of the legs while sitting with these on.
Absolutely not.
You gotta see that.
Absolutely not.
You're gonna get this all day.
All day. I'm gonna talk. My foot's gonna do this the entire time we're discussing whatever we're discussing. Yep. These are tough, man. The stitching right here, that's tough. The craftsmanship. That's the word. The craftsmanship is.
You know what? Another thing I love about Bally that I've always loved about Bally. Well, not always, nice. But one thing I love about Bally now is that when I'm at Tyson's, too, of course. Yeah. You walk by Louis, there's a line outside. Everybody there. You walk by Gucci, there's a line outside.
Always.
Everybody there. You know what I'm saying? Even Prada, there's a line out. Everybody there. Everybody wants. I go over to Bally, son.
It's just you and the associate.
It's me and the associate, yo.
Yeah.
He had the same first name as me.
Yeah.
He went crazy. You know what I'm saying? Personalized. Like, just,
it's a wonderful shopping experience.
It's a wonderful shopping experience. Yo.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
I've had some joints from over there before, and I've always enjoyed the Bally experience, for the same reasons. You know what I mean? I would walk straight through, go over to Bally, and then it's one of those things too when you put something on the street and it's the Bally. People have no choice but to respect it, not just doing anything for respect.
It's the same amount of respect, even more.
But then it sets you apart, man, from everybody, because everybody does the same thing, man. Yeah. They'll go spend $1,000 on a sneaker to look exactly like another person. Who spends $1,000, like you don't spend $1,000 to look the same. Yep. But you can spend a couple dollars less, man, but still set yourself apart. And these puppies right here, these are them.
These are them.
These are
them. For sure, man. It's a beautiful situation.
That's a situation there.
Yeah.
I would probably never do it, honestly.
Me too, but I gotta at least string them up just to see what it looks like.
But I could see a solid discussion with them.
Yeah. I got a couple of ideas. This is a great situation. Yes, sir. Yes. The gloves stay with
this guy.
That's it, man.
This guy.
Feel good about him. Pause.
Yeah. This is a good pickup, my friend. This is a very, very good pickup. And like I said, I was trying to figure out a suit sneaker. I couldn't figure one out. While I was figuring it out, I just went and bought a pair of Stan Smiths.
Yeah.
Why? Because I didn't want to go get the McQueens that everybody has.
Everybody got those.
Did not want to do that, right? Because I'm not paying $700 to look like every other person on the planet.
Yep.
So these are them, man.
I feel good
These
about
are definitely them.
I feel good about them for sure, man.
Yeah.
This is nice. That burgundy, I mean, come on.
I mean, that's
That Bally burgundy.
that Bally Burgundy, man.
That Bally burgundy, yo.
That's what it is.
Bally burgundy.
That's tough. That's a nice pickup.
Like,
man.
I need to come up with like a fake profile just to look for stuff online.
Yeah.
The algorithm is crazy, man.
Algorithm is not. Are you getting anything from Carolina Herrera?
No.
No, I'm serious.
Not that I know of. Nah.
Because I've picked up a few pieces from them, like clothing wise.
Crazy.
And if
man.
it's happening this way, it must be happening the other way.
I might have seen some stuff, but
Luckily for us, Carolina Herrera doesn't have great footwear.
Right. This is ridiculous, man. You can't even look for stuff on the low in your own home without them showing everybody what you're looking at.
Where you live.
Without saying your name.
Yeah.
One of your friends is looking up this stuff.
Somebody you know has got their eye on this.
But you know.
That's tough,
trigger,
man.
Baby. No, you good, man. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Those are tough. That's
Shout out to Amazon for like $3.99 gloves. You know what I'm saying?
that's a way to say. We may have to keep these. These are for the gentrification joints.
You don't have to tell me nothing. You just say, "Yo, I got some joints. Pull the gloves out."
Pull the gloves out.
Oh, okay.
Pull the gloves out. Vic, that means when you come back,
you're gonna bring some glove-worthy joints.
You're gonna give some. That's what it is. Glove-worthy joints. Yeah.
Yo, man. Good times, man.
Yeah, man.
Good times. Solid cops all the way around. Them denim joints.
Yeah.
The Yeezys, of course, and these.
Yeah,
puppies,
these.
Man.
Way to close the show out with that, sir.
Hey, man, do what we can out here, baby. This is what we do. Obama said, this is what I do. Come on.
The soul, though. The soul is
you know what I was thinking
soul
about? Because
is
you know I
what
told
really
you I got.
hurts.
I didn't tell you what color suit I got. I got a gray suit, right? You know what I was thinking about?
Charcoal or light gray?
It's light, but still, I was thinking about the old school Benzes, the gray outside with the burgundy guts.
Now,
out of here, yo.
Yeah. I know exactly what to do with this in a gray suit. Boy, boy, this is crazy. It's the soul for me, man. I ain't gonna front.
It's
this right here, and the way it's cut in. It's cut into the soul.
It's cut into getting caught.
That is dope.
It's so dope. That right there is nuts.
That's dope.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Man, I love it.
Nice touch, man. Very nice touch.
Oh
man.
yeah. Then then I had to grab these. I almost forgot. You know what I'm saying? The Bally socks, yo, the bees.
No. These aren't socks, sir. These are socks. This is where you have to tap into your old head Steve Harvey education. This is Bally hosiery.
Bally hosiery. Yes,
that's
indeed.
hosiery, sir.
Yes, indeed.
You.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Come on.
All right.
We're moving around outside.
Right. Now you know they have the matching belts to these.
Come on, man. I know, man.
They have the matching belts with the.
I had it in the cart when I had these socks in the cart. 'Cause I bought these separate.
Yeah.
And I was like, I need to at least save a little bit of my dignity. I said I can't just do this all at once. It's ridiculous. I gotta leave. It's like eating, like getting a 6-pack of cookies, eating 3 of them in the morning and then 3 in the evening.
Yeah.
I just feel better about not eating 6 at once.
At one time, okay.
Pause.
But the belt has to go with these. It has to go with these. I've seen the belt. I know it's there.
I know the belts. So we did, man. What's happening outside, man? Unboxing, baby. Yeah, man. Yeah.
We had a whole conversation with Vic about Bally's.
We did. Yeah. I was already looking at Bally's at that point. I've been.
I know, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. For the last few months, it showed up on my algorithm, which caused me to go in there and look at joints.
I was looking at boots last winter, yo. I just didn't have anything I could do with them. They were snow boots.
Yeah.
The high joints, they had the black high top joints, and they got the thick red and white leather strap around.
I know exactly what you're talking about. I know exactly what you're talking about.
I was like, these just is crazy. I think it was like 7 something. Like I spent 7 something on. What am I gonna do with these?
Yeah.
My wardrobe don't even match these.
Yeah,
I can't wear these, and it just been going since then. So this is really, I was really happy to get these because it was just trying to find a way, man. I'm still getting other drinks. I'm gonna get the ones that I want. I'm getting those too.
Yeah.
These shit is crazy.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
That's what it is.
Another one down, baby. Pause. We out.
Brocky, keep talking about this team.